Would be like to live in a tiny house community? Well, you're not alone. Tiny house communities are a growing trend in the US and around the world, and they offer a unique way of living that is different from the conventional housing model. But what exactly are tiny house communities? How do they function? In this video, we're going to answer all these questions and more, so you can decide if tiny house living is right for you. Stay tuned. What benefits can you get from joining a tiny home community? The advantages of joining a tiny home community are quite similar to the advantages of having an HOA. Being the only person in the area with such a little home might be strange, and fighting for your right to live in such a small space can be challenging. There are benefits to living in a community with other tiny homeowners. People are there to assist you with home repairs, stand up for small house rights with you, and offer advice on everything from design to space-saving furniture options. Additionally, many communities have features like community halls, dog parks, or councils that make life in a tiny home much simpler. Where to find tiny house communities? The best tiny home communities are found in California, Florida, Colorado, Georgia, Texas, and Maryland, though they may be found all throughout the country. Despite this, the reality is that there aren't many states with a tiny house community. Make sure to check at these top-rated circles that we'll be discussing if you want to raise your chances of finding one with whom you connect. Number 8. California Tiny House Communities. Due to the Golden State's well-known propensity for promoting novel lifestyles, there are numerous tiny home communities located there. The following communities come highly recommended. 1. Delta Park Bay. This neighborhood is about 11 miles south of San Diego and currently contains 50 homes. The community emphasizes eco-friendly living and has an on-site farmers market and edible landscaping. The goal is to make the entire neighborhood as self-sufficient as feasible, so this is a great location if you want to reduce your expenses. 2. Tiny House Block. You might want to look at the most recent RV park that has been turned into a tiny home village if you're trying to start a new life in San Diego County but simply don't want to deal with San Diego rent. There are a total of 18 properties in this community, which has a strong family atmosphere. You will enjoy this region if you prefer community potlucks over campfires. Naturally, enjoying life to the fullest in the San Diego region also means having a ton of fun in the city. So there you go. Number 7. Colorado Tiny House Communities. Colorado simply makes a lot of sense when it comes to economical living, legalized cannabis, and retirement. Colorado also boasts some of the best vistas of the Rocky Mountains. They also have vibrant communities of tiny houses. Sprout Tiny Homes. One of the most well-known small home communities in the state, Sprout Small Homes, is located in Salida, a town that welcomes retirees. The houses range in size from 260 to 670 square feet and start at $60,000. There are also rentals, some of which are significantly bigger. The largest tiny home community in the western United States at the moment is Sprout. It's a very stunning assembly of 200 homes. So this is the greatest approach to ensure that you have a large community surrounding you. Number 6. Florida Tiny House Communities. It is not surprising that Florida has several tiny home communities, given that it is a state that welcomes RVs. Some of the most well-known are listed here. 1. Orlando Lakefront. Want to visit a Disney park occasionally? Orlando Lakefront may be your type. The tiny community used to be an outdated RV park, just like many other minor communities. It developed into a vibrant community with the aid of investors and tiny home enthusiasts. There are more than a dozen homes here, and rents range from $350 to $550. Within the boundaries of the neighborhood, there will soon be about 40 residences in all. That's not bad at all. 2. Simple Life. Simple Life is a community that elevates the positive aspects of minimalist living by giving members all the resources necessary to lead completely environmentally and health-conscious lives. The community, which lies in the heart of Florida, has 220 residences, making it a colossal complex. This large community offers a wide range of services, such as free use of the dog park, a yoga studio, a community entertainment room, and more. This is the Shangri-La for health-conscious people. Number 5. Georgia Tiny House Communities. Although there are many tiny homes in Georgia, most residents only own their own on a piece of land. Having said that, communities are still permitted in some places. Craigtown's Shire. The Shire at Craigtown, one of the most well-known tiny home communities in the state, is named after the settlement featured in the classic fantasy book The Hobbit. The HOA is fantastic, and the prices are extremely affordable. The community has developed a reputation for being welcoming and is relatively busy. It's fantastic to know that places like this exist, especially given how reasonably priced it is. Number 4. Maryland Tiny House Communities. The magnificent metro area of Maryland is brimming with southern charm. Perhaps this explains why tiny house communities are springing up everywhere here as well. Bliss. Baltimoreans living in sustainable simplicity, or Bliss, is located just outside the city of Baltimore and goes by the acronym. Bliss is dedicated to bringing the world of environmentally friendly sustainability, much like many other communities. This community does not focus largely on tiny homes, unlike others. Instead, it's a community farm with a tiny house that aims to expand the market for tiny home living. It's possible to describe it as the pleasant intersection of conventional farming and distinctive residential designs. Number 3. Michigan Tiny House Communities. There are still some hip communities in northern states, even if the tiny house movement is more common in regions with milder climates. Michigan falls under this. Tiny home communities. The other two communities with the same names are not affiliated with this small charming village. It was made by Wheelhouse in collaboration with the Traverse Bay RV Resort. Even though the homes themselves are barely 400 square feet at most, a typical lot will be 5,000 square feet. The estates have a more premium approach to the tiny home ambience and are equipped with stylish amenities, contemporary exteriors, and tasteful landscaping. You get the impression that you're living in a well-maintained area of nature at each estate. Number 2. New York Tiny House Communities. Although you wouldn't be mistaken in thinking that many New York homes satisfy the criteria for a tiny home, other communities adhere to the official tiny house style. Cottages in Boiceville. Boiceville Cottages is a small community that is tucked away on the borders of the Finger Lakes and Ithaca metropolitan area, and was created to provide all the natural beauty of upstate New York, along with the conveniences of nearby Ithaca. Inside the confines of this community, there are about 140 small dwellings, making it one of the biggest in New York. Having said that, the majority of the homes are available for rental rather than purchase. They are among the region's most distinctive apartment arrangements as a result. Number 1. North Carolina Tiny House Communities. North Carolina, a place where tiny homes are quickly gaining popularity, is not too far from Georgia. Tiny home community in Coney Bell. The fact that Coney Bell has so many intriguing features has helped this community establish a large following among Carolinians. There are both seasonal rentals and long-term residences in the town, so you never know who you could stumble into. One of the best minimum living communities you'll ever see, with 56 acres of land, awesomely distinctive homes, and amazing people. And that's it for today's video on tiny house communities in the USA. We hope you learned something new and enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Also, let us know, would you be interested in living or joining a tiny house community in the comment section?